Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to do grouping in pivot tables. Okay, you have a row wise field or column wise field. You want to group it for some reason. Some of the row labels you want to group it, or some of the column labels you want to group it. You can do it. Okay, I will show to you how to do it. Okay, now. I have the data of products, customer, category and country. It's a sales record of each product and in sales in January, February, March and April. Okay, now this is my source data. I select the source data and I insert the pivot table. Okay, I selected the source data, pivot table, and then you can see select a table or range. Table range is the full set of source data, and choose where you want the pivot table report to be placed. I want to be the report to be in existing worksheet. I just put a worksheet called grouping. Okay, there I just selected in some of the cells and I want the pivot table report to be here. Press OK. Then what I have is a pivot table report area and also a pivot table fields pane. Okay, here I can select the number of fields and also I can also put filters and column wise fields and row wise fields and summarize values. Okay, what field is used to do the summary calculation. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I am going to select the product in the rows. Okay, and the probably in the country in columns. Now the January sales in sum of January sales in summary calculation. Okay, summation values. Now this is the product. And this one is a category. Okay, now my objective is I am going to group the row wise labels here, row wise products here. Okay, so what I am going to do is that I just select the products which I want to group it. Okay, probably I want the Alice mutton and up to Philo mix. I want to group it. Why do I want to group it? Probably for some reason these products from a particular supplier. Okay, supplier 1 and other products are from different suppliers. So the supplier 1's product I want to keep it as a one grouping. Okay, so it not necessarily the same order, you can group okay, you can use a control click to click multiple. Okay, not necessarily it is the shift and click. Shift and click you can use it for the overall selection from here to here. Drag all the products you want to, you leave some products in between and select, you can use control click. Okay, I use control click. You see I selected only 4 products. Okay, something like this. Okay, now I have up to Hippo coffee is one group. For example, I selected this and right click, you have a group and press group. You can have this one coming to group 1. Okay, the other products are in single products. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is the other products also I make it as group 2. Group 2. Okay, so now it becomes 2 groups. Each group also individually you have the sales and other stuff. Okay, same time when you close it you can also see the sales in overall the group. Okay, what is the overall grand total as well as for each country. what is the sales amount. Okay, so you can see here it is working like this group. So this is the group 1 and group 2. Okay, group 1 I separated a set of products in group 1 and also the product in group 2. This is for row wise. Okay, how can we do it in column wise? Also the similar. For example, Australia and New Zealand, I want to put it in one group because they are in same geometrical location. Click Australia to select, then New Zealand, control click, then right click group. Okay, first group is for group 1 is Australia and New Zealand. Okay, and also it is CA and USA, I put it in a different group. Okay, then the New Zealand and the UK in the geographical location, I put it in a different group. You can see group 1, group 2 and group 3. Okay, and each group also you can see the amount. Okay, similarly for each group. Group 3 is nothing but EU and UK. Maybe they are using the same currency, euro. Now it may be different, but consider for some reason you want to group some countries, you can group it. Okay, you can group 3 countries also. The same time I grouped product also. Okay, this way you can start working on groups, and these groups are very useful when you want to fetch same type of fields values together. Okay, so sometimes if it is a telecom company, you may have all SMS together and call sales together, SMS sales together, MMS is together, data is together, something like that. Okay, so same thing you can group it. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. The logo is already appearing in the video. You just press Alan Sam and you can subscribe to my channel, and you leave your comments and suggestions so that I can look into it and improve my videos. Okay, and God bless you.